Okay, I'm going over some more questions that you'll see like on your quiz. So rectangles, perimeter, that's actually on your quiz. That's on your quiz. Here's another one. All right, so 2x plus 3 equals x minus 4. So let's write that down. 2x plus 3 equals x minus 4. Start solving. What do I get rid of first? There's no wrong answer yet. Good. How do I get rid of it? Minus x on both sides. Good, y'all. Cross these x's out on the right. 2x minus x. Nope, it's 2x's minus nx. What'd you say? 1. 1x plus 3 equals, what's still left over here?
4.
What kind of 4? Negative 4. Last step, I cross something out on the right, now I've got to do it on the left. Good, on both sides. Quick and simple. X equals, cross these out. This is negative 4 minus 3. That's how that's read. So what do I get when I put that in my calculator? Close. Negative 4 minus 3. Put it exactly in your calculator, just like that. It's tricking you. Negative 7. Good. Okay, let's do another one. Nope, that's on your test. So is that. So is that. Let's do this one. It says 2 customers spent the same total amount of money at a restaurant. The first customer bought 8 hot wings and left a $4 tip. The second customer bought 10 hot wings and left a $2.80 tip. Both customers paid the same amount per wing. So 8 hot wings on the first one, $4 tip. 10 hot wings on the second, $2.80 tip. I need to write an equation, and then I need to show that they're equal. And this 8 cent or same amount per wing and per wing. Where does the variable go since it's per wing? What number does it go with over here, the 8 or the 4? The 8. 8 wings plus a $4 tip is the same as 10 wings. What do I put? 10 wings plus a $2.80 tip. Okay, now I solve. What do I do first? Minus 10 wings on both sides. These 10 wings cancel out. 8 wings minus 10 wings. Can I take 10 away from 8?
No.
So my answer is going to be negative what? Negative 2 wings plus $4 equals $2.80. I started off crossing on the left. I'm sorry, on the right. Now I got to do it to the left. What gets crossed out next? Good. Minus 4 on both sides. This is $4, by the way. Cancel this out. $2.80 minus $4. Calculate. 2.80 minus 4. Goes right in your calculator. Negative 1.2. And this is negative 2 wings. What's the last step? Tricky. Remember, the last step is always to do divide. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. Negative 1.2 divided by negative 2 is how much per wing? 60 cents per wing. Okay, this is another question, and you're just setting up the equation here. It says Jerry has a new job and earns a salary of $45,000. Victoria has a new job and earns a salary of $54,000. Jerry will receive a salary increase of $2,500 per year, and Victoria will receive a salary increase of $1,500 per year. Jerry and Victoria. Victoria gets $54,000. Oops, $54,000. And Jerry gets $45,000 with 25 increase per year. And hers is $1,500 per year. Which equation can be used to find X, the number of years it'll take Jerry and Victoria to earn the same salary? So if they're the same, this says 54,000, by the way. 54000. I want them to be equal. So I need to write an equation over here. Where's my variable going to go? Is it going to go with the 45,000 or the 2,500? Where's the per? With the 2,500. So 2,500 X plus 45,000 equals 1,500 what? Per year. How do I show that per year? With the variable plus 54,000. I wish it was an increase of 54,000 per year, but it's not, unfortunately. Okay. So I don't even need to work this one out because it just had me set it up. That's all. So anytime you see per year, that is 7X. I don't know, $7 per year. Okay. If you see $8.50 per minute, that's 850X. If you see losing 9 chickens, I don't know, somebody has a farm per day. If you're losing 9, what kind of 9 is that? -9 chickens per day. -9 per day. Could put an X there if you want. If you're gaining 16 dollars per week, how do I write that? Plus 16X, because it's a gain. You're going to have a question like that on your quiz, and if you're not finished with it, go back and look at it. Where are we gaining 16 per X or 16X? Okay, where are we losing 9D? These aren't the specific numbers, but they're similar there. And then it'll tell you what it starts with. If I start with $150 in my savings account and I save $10 per week, my account expression, or the amount of money that I'm going to end up accruing, is going to start with 150 plus 10X. And I want it to be the same as my friend Brenda, I don't know, who has $200 in her savings account, and she only saves $6 per week. So then that's 200 plus 6X. When will we have the same amount of money? This means same, this means per. 6 per week. This means 10 per week. So wherever you see per, automatically think, oh, that's where I need to write a variable. Another question I wanted y'all to see was one with the triangle, but I need to find the different triangle. All right, so you have another question like this on your quiz. It says the perimeter of the triangle shown is 17x units. That's what the perimeter equals. The dimensions of the triangle are given in units. 15x, 15x, and 7x again. So which equation can be used to find the value of x? In order to find a perimeter, you have to add all the sides. We already know that the perimeter equals 17x units. So how do we write that down and translate it mathematically? perimeter is 17x. I had my triangle, which had 15, 15, and 7x units. So in order to find perimeter of my triangle, I need to add all sides. Oops, can't spell sides. Add all sides. So my sides are what? Well, what numbers do I have? One of them does have a variable. 15, 15, and 7x. So I need to write perimeter is 15 plus 15 plus 7x. But what did they give me as my perimeter? They told me my perimeter is what? They said it is 17x. So this is how I would set it up. Now, what are my like terms? Do I have anything there that's alike? 15 and 15. What's 15 plus 15? 30. So this is 30 plus 7x equals 17x. Sorry, I forgot about that x up there. So now I'm going to go back to my question and find the one that matches what I wrote. Does this say what I wrote right here? Yes, it does. It's got the 30 plus 7x and it's got the 17x. This one's wrong, this one's wrong, and this one's wrong. The 30x is wrong because these 15s don't have an x with it, okay? All right, let's go over one more on your homework. Minimize. What's another number that was challenging for y'all? Number 8. 13x plus 29 equals 5x minus 51. 13x plus 29 equals 5x minus 51. Separate your sides. Who can I get rid of first? All right, negative 5x on both sides. 5x's cancel out. What's on the left? Okay, so 13 minus 5, 13x minus 5x equals what? Close. In between both of what you said. You said 9, you said 7. In between, honey. 8x plus 29 equals what? Negative 51. 2 more steps. What's next? Good. The constant on the left. How do I get rid of the constant? On both sides. Minus 29, minus 29. Cancel these out. Bring down my 8x. Negative 51 minus 29 is what goes in my calculator. How much? You didn't put it in the calculator like this. Don't put minus negative, just one sign right here. Negative 51 minus 29. Don't put a negative in front of this 29. Negative 80. There we go. Last step. By 8. Good. You get 10. But what kind of 10? Negative 10. Okay. Another one? My video doesn't have time for another one.